All right, so get ready for hot rollers. When's the last time that you used hot rollers? It's real easy to do. I want you to use hot rollers the way that you would use a brush. You're gonna put it in, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends, get those ends. And then you take the comb, just wrap it around, and then you're gonna clip it. And then you take the next section. And you're always going to take this section of the size of a brush. And you comb it all up, make it nice and smooth, take another roller. And I usually mix them. I do a small, and then I also will do a big, small, big, small, big, small. And then wrap those ends, make sure around with the tail comb. And you're going to kind of do a brick section for your rollers. So just put it in and make sure you wrap those ends in really good. Get the tail comb, wrap it around. You're going to stick that tail comb inside the roller where the hair is, and then just kind of wrap it around. It's very easy to do. Just practice it. Then you take another big section straight up. And it's easy if you just take it straight up. You can see it. And you could wrap that hair if you want a little extra around that. And practice other things, not just one way. But I haven't used rollers in such a long time, and wait until you see how beautiful it comes out. And a nice good section. You see, I'm not using a lot of rollers. You don't need a ton. And just roll it, take the tail comb again, make sure you wrap it around inside so it gets those ends in really good. Now I'm going to do my top, and of course my top I'm going to use a smaller roller. And then you're just going to roll it, get those ends, roll it back as best as you can, and just make sure you get those ends in with the tail comb for every single section. Now put the white clip on. All right, and really I'm just going to take one section. I'm going to leave my bangs out. I'm just going to take whatever's left on that side, but I'm not going to be doing my bangs. I got a big one, a big roller, and I'm actually doing it towards my face. And if hair falls out, that's all right. You could get an end paper if you wanted, or just wrap it and let some of those pieces just be left out. It's okay. So I'm going to take this next section. This is where I have more hair on the side, so I will take two sections right there. And you're just going to pick it up, and that one is going to go back, and the next one right around my face I'll put forward. Just roll it, get the tail comb, get those ends in, get those ends in, get those ends in. Okay, and now you just let it set. I put a little bit of texturizing spray from Davines. Love that. And how long do you have to keep the rollers in? It all depends. I don't keep them in long at all, but for fine or thin hair, you can keep them in 10 to 15 minutes if you wanted to for a gentle wave and lift. For thicker, coarse hair, 20 to 30 minutes. Just make sure they're hot enough. And I really start taking them out now because my hair just takes very quickly to a nice heat. But I'm taking them out the way I put them in. So this way, those are the pieces that were, hotter. And they cooled off first. Look how soft the wave is. Rollers makes the hair so elegant and very fancy. That's what I love about it. They're so easy to do on dry hair, and it doesn't take long at all. It just really up levels your style. Look at how beautiful those curls are, right? And that's just one side. Look how quick it took too. So you're gonna practice. Anything you do that's new that you haven't done, you just practice until you love the way it comes out. If I set it more, it would be imprinted even more. Beautiful. I'm super happy with the results. And then I put that texturizing spray so it has some texture in there. And it just made it so pretty. So much more feather, so much smoother. Definitely the more Farrah Fawcett, Jaclyn Smith kind of hair. We love those 80s. They're so awesome.